I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to talk about the initial impressions and the specifications about the iQOO Z3 device. As you can see, friends, so recently the iQOO they did launch another teaser in the Amazon website, as you can see, so stating that they are going to launch the mid-range segment mobile phone with the Snapdragon 768G processor and the name of the model, which is the iQOO Z3, as well, as you can see clearly. And in this video I'll try to explain what are the specifications and what can be the price of this phone and what is exactly the worth for this phone right now in this kind of competition with other smartphones we are getting. So let's get started, friends. So first let's discuss about the display of the iQOO Z3 gonna have. So display of the iQOO Z3 is about 6.58 inches with a 120Hz refresh rate and IPS LCD. So it's not the Super AMOLED panel, friends, it's IPS LCD. So for the mid-range segment there's a really very competition because a lot of other phones they do offer 120Hz and Super AMOLED as well from the Redmi Note 10 Pro series, but this phone only comes with the IPS LCD panel. That is the one drawback here. And next thing regarding the processor, in terms of the performance wise, as you can see, the Snapdragon 768G processor, so which is quite good in terms of the performance wise, because the annual benchmark test scores we are getting about 4,50,000 plus as well. That's a kind of one positive thing about this phone, which is a performance wise. And added extra bonus is that extended RAM functionality as well, so which also works pretty good because right now I'm using the iQOO 7 device, so which is really good in terms of the extended RAM capabilities. So in the performance wise it should be kind of good. So let's, in terms of the UFS storage, which is of 2.2 storage, which is kind of mid-range segment mobile phones we are seeing. And next is main camera 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, which is also quite normal nowadays for the mid-range segment, so there is nothing much highlight. The main highlight for this phone entire is only this processor. So apart from this processor, everything is kind of same and similar, which features can be found in other competitive smartphones as well. And next, regarding the battery, 4400 mAh of battery and 55 watt fast charging. So that is a little bit kind of decrease when compared with the iQOO 7. But for this kind of mid-range segment mobile phone, the only thing which I did like is only the Snapdragon 768G processor. So apart from that, there is nothing much considered to buy this phone at this point. And right now in the iQOO Twitter, if you open the Twitter, as you can see, they did say other mid-range mobile phones as well. That is a clue. So maybe I was guessing the price of this phone might be between, I think, 15 to 20,000. So if that's the case, maybe that's going to be really good advantage for a lot of users. So not only that, friends, first the iQOO team, they need to fix the 4G plus problem which a lot of users are facing. So when I scroll through the Twitter comments, I can see plenty of comments who are actually waiting for the 4G plus update as well. Even few of the comments, they did share my videos with the iQOO team as well. So those are the videos I did see, and they did mention that they are not getting the 4G plus and they're not getting Wi-Fi good speeds. And definitely, friends, is the one thing which the iQOO team need to work on this iQOO 7 smartphone. Even there's a problem with my unit as well, and even with a few of the other units. But this is a quick initial impressions on this iQOO Z3 device which is going to release. And overall, the price of this iQOO Z3, if it is around maybe 16,999, maybe this kind of good phone, I would say, definitely, friends, because it's an IPS LCD panel. Another thing, that is another little bit kind of drawback. So that's it, friends. This is a quick impressions, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about this iQOO Z3 device. So are you interested to buy this phone or not? So make sure to let me know in the comments below. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.